Hey guys, Aaron here for the Love and Tech, and we are driving in the car on the way somewhere to do something. Big shout out to Soundcore. They sent me these shades a little while ago. Still use them, still enjoy them, still love them. Thank you, Soundcore. I will go ahead and link that video if you want to go ahead and check them out right there. Bing! But the real reason you are here, we are here to talk about the iPhone 14. Let's talk about the 14 Pro Max and my unboxing and how amazingly disappointing it was. And this is what happened. So I placed my order, and it was at the Best Buy, and I placed it at Best Buy, and they usually never let me down. And I'm waiting, and I get the notification, hey, you will be available for pickup tomorrow. Oh, lovely. Okay, the day it's released, we're on target. Next day, I go to look, no update in the status, and all of a sudden there's a text message, and the text message says, sorry, you're gonna get your iPhone sometime in October. Well, that made me feel slightly silly, so I went ahead and started looking around. So I called up a couple places, and someone said, yes, we have the iPhone, this variant, here we go, everything's amazing. So I get in the car, I drive up there, I start doing all the stuff and all the paperwork, and she's like, so are you gonna do a device payment plan? And I'm like, no, I'm just gonna buy the iPhone. And then she started pitching to me the other stuff, and then we get to the end, and I said, no, I don't need that, no, I don't need that, no, I don't need that. Basically, they're getting nothing out of me. They're just selling me the phone, which retailers don't want to do. They don't want to sell you a phone. They want to get you on a contract, a service agreement. They want to sell you stuff. And because I wasn't doing any of that, then she goes, well, by the way, all of the iPhones we're selling come in a bundle. I'm like, okay, what's a bundle? And then she says, well, a bundle is the screen protector, the case, the charging cable, and the charging brick, because we want to make sure you have everything you need to enjoy your iPhone. And I'm like, you know what, thank you very much, but I have all that stuff already. I'm good. She's like, what do you mean you have it already? I'm like, yeah, I'm already taken care of. I have all of that. I don't require anything else. She said, well, then we can't sell you the phone. And I'm like, you can't sell me the phone? And I'm a Verizon customer. I'm buying a phone. I'm basically upgrading a phone to my line, but I'm buying it outright. So there's no device payment plan. I don't know. But in that moment, I decided, Aaron, you have a choice of being right and getting crazy, or you can be happy and say, you know what, thank you for wasting my time. I'm going to leave. Because they wanted to charge $260.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
For a case, a screen protector, a charging cable, and a charging brick. $260, that's what they said. I couldn't believe it. I was just like, there's no way. So then I go ahead and I go to another store, another retailer, because I haven't had enough pain, because Apple was also failing me on my pre-order as well, because I had one with Apple and that one was delayed too. So then I find another Verizon retailer, and I go in there and I say, can I buy an iPhone from you? And she said, you can buy an iPhone and upgrade it or do a device payment agreement. Yeah. And so at that point I realized, okay, unless I'm buying this directly from Apple or Amazon, right? Like, no retailer is going to sell me this phone, which is clearly in limited numbers because it's sold out everywhere on launch day. And I might as well just roll with the punches. And I said, okay, fine. I said, I'll do a device payment, no problem. We'll upgrade my current line, no big deal. But I am not buying a bunch of stuff that I don't need or I don't want. I know the law, and you can't make me. I totally made that up. I don't know the law. I don't know what law I was referencing that I thought I knew, but I made it up. Fake it till you make it.
Pretend. Fake it?
Yeah.
Until we make it?
I mean, why not? It's either that or cry myself to sleep.
It worked, and she said, okay, I won't make you buy anything that you don't want. And so we moved forward and we did the whole thing, and it was interesting. It was interesting. It's been a while since I bought a phone from a Verizon store. I actually usually pre-order directly, or I have it shipped to the house. But in the store, it was different. It was weird. And this whole eSIM has them all tripping out, which is the whole point of my unboxing, which never happened. And I said, well, can you leave the phone in the box, please? She says, no, I gotta open it. I go, well, I don't want it opened. It's my phone. And she said, well, I don't want to lose my job. So I was like, don't open the phone. Don't open the phone. And she says, well, I have to open the phone. It's my job. I have to make sure it works. I have to make sure that you can send and receive a call. I'm like, oh, okay, well, I'm sure it'll be fine. She says, that's my job. I have to. And there's cameras everywhere, and they're watching me. This is what she told me. She told me that they are watching her everywhere to make sure that they are testing the eSIMs before they walk out the door. So I was like, okay, I don't want to like the lady. It's like this phone, iPhone 14 Pro Max, better be amazing. It better take like sexy pictures. It's all I gotta say, because I went through a lot to get this thing. So then I finally get the phone, and I'm like, she turns it on, and I'm like, no, someone else is turning on the phone for the first time, and it's not me, and it's not on camera. I felt like I failed all of you, but I'm here to tell you, she turned it on. She did not make her test phone call. She did not send or receive anything. And then she just put it right back in the box, put the lid on it, and gave it to me. She goes, see, like it never happened.
What? What the fuck?
No, lady, it happened. We can't undo the unboxing that you just destroyed with your grubby paws. So, slightly better outcome than the first retail store, because I actually walked out with an iPhone, but still terribly disappointed that I was not able to bring you an unboxing. But in the meantime, keep an eye out on my Instagram. If you're not following me, go follow me on Instagram. I'm going to be posting some pictures, some activities, some iPhone 14 Pro Max stuff. Till next time, for the love of tech, namaste.